let's talk about absolute value equations, equations that involve an absolute value. Let's start with a basic one, like the absolute value of x is equal to 3. What this is saying is, what has an absolute value equal to 3? Well, 3 has an absolute value equal to 3, but it's not the only thing. Negative 3 does as well. In general, the rule for absolute value equations is the absolute value of something equal to a means that something is equal to a or negative a. So absolute value equations do result in two equations and two solutions. Let's look at the absolute value of 2x minus 5 is equal to 9. This sets up two equations. One is 2x minus 5 is equal to 9. The other, 2x minus 5 equal to negative 9. For my first equation, I can add 5 to both sides. 9 plus 5 is 14. I can then divide both sides by 2 and get x equal to 7. For the other one, I can add 5 to both sides. That gets me 2x is equal to negative 4. Divide both sides by 2, and I get x equal to negative 2. So I have two total solutions here, 7 and negative 2. For the absolute value of 3x plus 2 minus 4 equal to 7, we do have a step before we can use our rule for absolute values. We need the absolute value to be by itself. So I'm going to start by adding 4 to both sides. That gets me 3x plus 2 equal to 7 plus 4 is 11. So my two equations, 3x plus 2 equal to 11, or 3x plus 2 is equal to negative 11. For the first equation, we subtract 2 from both sides to get 3x equal to 9. And then divide both sides by 3 to get x is equal to 3. For my second equation, I subtract 2 from both sides to get 3x equal to minus 13. And then dividing by 3, we get my second result, which is negative 13 over 3. There is a situation that we need to watch out for absolute value. If I have something like the absolute value of 4x plus 2 is equal to negative 3, this actually has no possible solution. We don't need to set up an equation or try to solve anything because the rule is that absolute values are always positive. But negative 3 is not positive, which tells me this is an impossible situation. So there would be no solution to this particular absolute value equation.